Guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your website name on Wix. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first you want to select the website that you want to change name, and then press on select and edit site, right? And then you will be redirected to basically a dashboard of your website where you can do a bunch of different things. All right, so I need to wait for a few seconds, but when it's load up, I will show you the next steps. So as you can see here on the top, there is search bar here. So on the search bar, you need to write overview, right? And then as you can see here, it's loading, but the first option is tools and settings overview. So press on it, and then you will be redirected to another page. But the first option on general, there is website settings. So press on it, and then as you can see, the first option is your site name, right? So change whatever you want. So for example, top advice online, and also you can connect your branded domain and do a bunch of different things here. But as you can see here, you can change your website name, and when you're done, just press save, and your website name is changed. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.